Welcome to Rayleigh's Small Engines. Yes, sir, we have got another one torn down. Old Poland Pro. What is that, a 2042 V-twin? It's a Briggs motor. When you're taking things apart, I just thought about something. I'm going to show you over here on the carburetor bench. Started taking this apart. What happened? This one's been sitting up. This has got the twin. This is going to be a two-part deal here. Something on these plastic intakes. They are bad about warping. And right here in the middle, they will suck air. Another tip for the day. When you're going to take, like, that linkage could go over here. That linkage could go over here. So you have the best tool right in the palm of your hand, or I bet it's hanging on your hip. Take a picture, and that'll help you remember how things go back together. I work on this stuff every day, and I do the same thing. Then if you got a question putting it back together, look at the picture. There you go. Thanks for tuning in. Rayleigh's Small Engines. We'll see you next time.